Hey everyone, Notion Workflow here. Thank you all for the support. I recently reached 1,000 subscribers and I really appreciate all of you for sticking around and listening to my videos. Today's video covers task database buttons. Obviously, there's a lot of YouTube channels that cover how to use database buttons, so I'm not going to go into that as much, but I do think database buttons can afford you a new way to organize and create actionable steps within your team or yourself, regardless of how you have your Notion workspace set up. As you can tell, I have 4 different database buttons that I've created here. Very simple, and some of it kind of ties into my previous video where we're creating and assigning tasks and projects within a team meeting. All of these buttons are very straightforward. If I wanted to assign myself, I can do that. And then if I wanted to remove myself, I could also do that. And if I wanted to complete this task, for example, I can click on complete. That completion time shows, and that checkbox also shows. What's also neat with these buttons is you can also notify team members. So if I click on notify team, I've tagged 2 of my other Notion accounts that will receive a notification. You can see that I've been mentioned in task 1. If I go here and notify my team for task 2, for example, that will be immediate as well when you go to my other account and check the update section, right? These are very simple features that I think are still very valuable, and it's native to the database entry itself, so you can reference everything immediately. As you can imagine, these properties are pretty simple to set up. We can go to this page, person, and then we select the remove toggle for the person entry to create that remove button. And for the assign, we do the add. So in this case, we can add as many people as we want to a certain task, and we can also remove those people as well, as long as it's the person clicking on the button. The complete button is very straightforward. We specify a completion time, which just pulls now from the date property, and then we can also mark that checkbox as checked. So that's a 2-in-1 button. And then with notified team, for example, we just add the people that we want to notify directly, and then we can also change how we want to arrange that. All right, well, that was a very short and simple video. I'm not sure if this is too simple, right? But I do think the opportunity that exists within database buttons is immense, and I do think Notion will be adding new features within these buttons sooner than you might think. And, I think I have a bit more of experimenting that I want to do with these buttons as well. So this is just a very simple, fairly short video to illustrate how these might be able to shape your Notion workspace and so on and so forth. Well, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.